Hey teachers, we're getting a makeover! Smart Learning Suite Online is the heart of hundreds of thousands of classrooms worldwide, helping students engage, learn actively, and collaborate wherever they are. But we know the name is kind of a mouthful. So starting June 26th, Smart Learning Suite Online will have a bright new name: Lumio by Smart. The little firefly in the logo represents the luminescence, the spark, and the aha light bulb moments the software is designed to enable in your classroom. All of the features and functionality you know and love are staying exactly the same. Your sign-in URLs, your library of lessons, and all your great content and tools. All of these will remain exactly as they are. The only change to Smart Learning Suite Online will be its name and logo. There is also no change to your software subscription. The Smart Learning Suite will still include Smart Notebook and our great online software, which will now be called Lumio. We hope you're as excited about Lumio's new name and look as we are. Thanks for choosing Lumio for student engagement everywhere.